Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo don call on Edo people to continue to support in administration and the federal government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say dem mean well for we dear country Naija. The governor yarned this one for a New Year broadcast when he called a message of renewed hope and progress for 2025. Oga Governor come reaffirm the administration commitment to continue to put first the welfare of the people. In talk say,
my dear people of Edo State, as we round off activities for the year 2024 and embrace 2025, I extend to you my warmest greetings and heartfelt wishes for a prosperous new year. The year 2024 presented us with its own set of challenges, but it was also a year of remarkable achievements. On November 12th, 2024, I and my Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, came on board, and since then, Edo State has been witnessing a steady growth. As a people, we have shown resilience, determination, and unwavering spirit. I am confident that 2025 will be a year of more progress and transformation. My administration will continue to prioritize the welfare of the people. As you have noticed, Edo State is safe again, as we are continuously securing the state from crime and criminality. We have started massive construction of roads. The construction of Rama Park Flyover, Upper Mission Road Extension, Ekiwa Road, Ute Palace Road, and Catholic Charismatic Renewal Road in Upper Ekewa, just to mention a few, are currently ongoing. We are also collaborating with the federal government to ensure that the Benin-Auchi Expressway becomes motorable as soon as possible. Renovation works have begun in many of our public schools. Only recently, I approved 500 million naira monthly subvention for the Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, as a way of reviving the institution. With your support, a new Edo will rise again. I urge you to continue to support my administration and the federal government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Mr. President means well for our dear country, and I am optimistic that his bold policies will yield positive results in 2025. The Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, and I wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.